Welcome to the Discover Mathematics series. In this video, we're going to look at how you can find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. From our previous video, we know that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. We're going to use that information to help us figure out the sum of the measures of the interior angles of any polygon. So next we're going to look at a rectangle. And what I'm going to do is draw as many triangles as possible from one vertex. When I do that, from here to here, I see that I have one triangle here and another triangle here. So I have two triangles, and the measure of each one is 180 degrees. So that gives me 2 times 180, or 360 degrees. I'm going to do the same thing here with a pentagon, which has 5 sides. And from this vertex, I'm going to go to here, gives me one triangle, and here, and that gives me a total of 1, 2, 3 triangles, and the measure of the interior angles of each triangle is 180 degrees. So this gives me 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. Using the hexagon, I'm going to draw the triangles I can from this particular vertex. It doesn't matter which one you use as long as you use the same one. And then I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So that's 4 times 180 degrees, which is 720 degrees. Looking for a pattern because I want to make a conjecture of what the rule is going to be. Okay, we notice that the next polygon is a heptagon, and it has 7 sides. From one vertex, I'm going to draw in all the possible triangles. And we see that I have 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 triangles. Each one has an interior sum of 180 degrees, and that 5 times 180 will give me 900 degrees. Keep in mind, we're looking for a pattern. So in the next one, an octagon with 8 sides, and I'll write that here, it has 8 sides. Let's see how many triangles I can form from drawing the diagonals from one vertex. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 triangles, and the sum of each interior angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. So 6 times 180 is going to be 1080 degrees. And I'm looking for a pattern. So if we look at all of these polygons that we've done so far, notice we have 8 sides, and we have 6 times 180 degrees. This one has 7 sides, and we have 5 triangles, each one times 180 degrees. This one here, this polygon had 6 sides, and we have 4 times 180 degrees, or 4 triangles. This one has 5 sides. And we're able to create 3 triangles. And one triangle, of course, is 180 degrees, but this one has 3 sides. And this one here has 4 sides. So when we're looking at the number of triangles for a relationship between the number of sides and the number of triangles, we see we have 5 sides, 3 triangles, 4 sides, 2 triangles, 6 sides, 4 triangles, 7 sides, 5 triangles, 8 sides, 6 triangles. And what we should notice is that each time we're going to have 2 less than the number of sides. That's going to give us the number of triangles. So we could say that our rule is going to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And so it's the sum of the interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees, and n is the number of sides. Of the polygon. And that'll give us our rule to figure out the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Thank you.